Hello friends, this is our first lab, Learn MVC. Okay, and in the first lab, we will go to see how to write a Hello World application in a MVC project. Okay, here I'm creating lab first. Okay, and I'm here selecting the framework 4.5. What it means, I will learn you after some time. Okay, in here I'm creating empty MVC application. Okay, and here press OK. Why I am selecting empty application? Because we have to learn from scratch how to create the project and how to create controller and all such things. First, MVC means what? What MVC stands for? MVC stands for model, view and controller. Okay. So first we will write a hello world program, and after that I will teach you what it means actually. Okay. So here in a controller folder, I have to add a controller. There are several types of controller. First, you will get empty controller. Okay. So keep in mind, you don't have to delete this controller word. It is by default, and the MVC it is depend on convention over configuration. Okay. So I'm giving a name here home, and I add that. Okay. So here it adds the controller and it inherit from controller class, and it create a method index which is a default method. You gonna, if you want to delete this, you can delete this. You want to remain in this application, you can do this also. So check here, when I create the home controller, it creates the home folder inside the views. Okay. So if I want to add one view for this method, how I gonna do that? Right click on the method, add view, and I will teach you afterwards what is a layout page, what is a partial view, all that thing. And here it is view name is an index, empty without model. Okay, and in this I simply write hello world. This is my first lab, and if I run this program, you're gonna see this what will happen. Okay, it is running here. Okay, here you will see the output hello world. This is my first lab. So the how MVCs work, let's go in that. First I assign one debugger to here. Okay, after that debugger point is here, and if I run this program, you can see here. Okay, first it comes in a controller, means when you create a MVC project and when the first hit come from a user, it always come inside the controller first, not a view first. And if I am going to debug here, after that it goes in a view page, which is CS HTML. CS HTML stands for razor syntax. Okay, and this will done. Okay, so In a controller folder, you can add a controller. For each type of view or a different requirements, you can write a different controller, and for different controller, their respective views folder will be created. Okay, and in a what it models folder, model stand for class object. Means what I want to suggest, it is a type of class or business class. There means if you create a student, if you want to create a project for student library, so you can add a student class here and add the properties in that like id, name, address, or all such things. Views stand for views, and in that, in ASP.NET application we can use web form. Here we can use CSHTML. CSHTML for razor view, and what it means, you can write a C# code inside that HTML, CSHTML, or a view page file. Okay, so the MVC is actually a architectural pattern. Hmm? And M stands for model, V stand for view, and C stand for controller. Every layer in that have some unique functionality assigned to it. Okay, or we can say that the solution divided into three layers: model, view, and controller. Okay, so that's all about the first lab. Thank you for watching. Keep listening, keep learning. Have a nice day. Bye.